Hi, it's Sandra, and I'm so sorry I made everybody wait till now to get this, the winner picked for my November giveaway, but I have been sick. I got sick just before Thanksgiving, and I actually got like a laryngitis, so I couldn't even talk good till today. So unfortunately, that's what happened. So, I know, what good is an excuse if you can't use it, right? So anyway, without further ado, we're going to pick the winner. I just want to say good luck to everyone. And don't forget, if you're the winner, you want to send me an email at nailstampology@gmail.com with your address and mailing address, and I will send out your winnings. So let's talk about I'm just going to put these winnings through there quickly, and so that way you can see what it was all given away. I have Maniology plate from Halloween, M062. I have this nifty plate holder from the Christmas box that Maniology did. I have this cool black cat stamping plate that was Halloween. And I also have this Christmas plate, M416, Maniology. And please don't forget that if you do buy something from Maniology, to please use my code, which is NS10, so that way I get a few bucks and you get 10% off. All right, so let's pick a winner. And the winner is Heather Malone 9091. So Heather Malone at 9091. I'm sorry, it doesn't say, it's at Heather Malone 9091. So Heather, all you have to do is send me an email at nailstampology@gmail.com and I will mail out your winnings. So congratulations to Heather, and thanks for watching, everyone.